Hi, and thank you for joining me in the Microsoft 365 Message Center Update Service. I'm Mark Stokes, and I'm here to tell you about what's changing in Office 365, so you're better prepared to support your users. So the update we're going to talk about today is Microsoft is changing the Meet Now link in Microsoft Teams, and they're going to make it easier for you to get a share meeting link with your users. This is something I'm very excited about because I do struggle sometimes with Meet Now and getting the links out, so I think this will be very useful. So if we just kind of flip over to the browser, and we can see what we're looking at here. So Microsoft are making it easier for a user to create meetings and to get a meeting link using the Meet Now button in the Teams calendar. And this feature is available for Teams desktop on Mac and Windows, and as well as on the web. So I assume not mobile at this point. So when will this happen? Rollout begins mid-February and should be complete by late February 2021. So by the end of the month, everyone should have this update in their Teams client. So how is it going to affect you? Well, when users click on the Meet Now button in the Teams Calendar tab, they will see a flyout panel with options to either start the meeting instantly or to get a meeting link for future use. So users can choose to copy and share that link in advance. Kind of struggle with that as some terminology. If we're doing Meet Now and then I have the ability to share a future meeting, slightly confusing, but I think aside of that small critical bit of terminology, I think that's going to be something very, very useful. So what do you need to do to prepare? Well, you might want to go and talk to your users, send out a communications message, and just let them know what changes are coming and what the impact is and what new features they're going to be able to work with. So that's it. It's a very, very short one today. I don't think there's any other information for me to share, but if you do find use of this or you have any comments, then please do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm interested to find out how people use all this functionality. Okay, that's all there is today. Nice, very quick one, and I look forward to seeing you sometime in the future. So thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.